Okay, so I need to be honest with you right away. I used to be that person who would buy every life-changing gadget I saw online, set it up once, and then watch it collect dust on the counter for 6 months before quietly putting it in a drawer. Sound familiar? So this time I actually committed. 10 gadgets, my actual home, daily use for weeks. And look, some of these genuinely changed how my home feels and runs. A couple of them, not so much. But I'm gonna be straight with you about all of it. So let's get into it. Now, before we start, real quick, none of these are crazy expensive, none of them require you to rewire your house or hire someone, and most of them you can get off Amazon today. All the links are below. Let's go. Number 1, and I'm starting here because this one surprised me the most. This is the Swiffer PowerMop. And yeah, I know, it's a mop. Not exactly the sexiest gadget on the list. But here's the thing. I have hardwood floors throughout most of my place, and I was spending like 20 minutes every other day with a bucket, a traditional mop, letting it dry, the whole thing. This thing? Spray and go. The solution is built in, the pads lock on in literally 2 seconds, and it covers ground fast. The one honest thing I'll say, the pod refills do add up over time, so factor that in. But for daily floor maintenance, it genuinely cut my cleaning time in half. Half, on something I do basically every day. That math works for me. 2. LEVOIT Air Purifier. Number 2 is something I didn't think I needed until I had it. This is the LEVOIT Vital 200S Air Purifier, and it covers up to 1,875 square feet, which honestly covers most apartments and a lot of houses. Now, I got this primarily because of allergies. Spring hits and I'm basically useless for 2 months. What I didn't expect was how it would change the actual feel of the room. There's an air quality monitor built in, and watching that thing go from red to green in like 20 minutes after I cook something or vacuum, that's weirdly satisfying. Sleep mode is also genuinely good. It gets so quiet you forget it's running. The only thing, and this is minor, the washable pre-filter needs cleaning every few weeks. Totally doable, just don't forget it exists, or the efficiency drops. But overall, this one earned its counter space. 3. Fullstar Pro Vegetable. Okay, number 3. And this one's for anyone who actually cooks at home. The Fullstar Pro Chopper. 4 functions in one. Chopper, spiralizer, slicer, and it catches everything in the container underneath. I make a lot of salads, like a lot, and I was spending more time prepping than actually eating. This thing dices an onion in about 4 seconds. No tears, no mess on the cutting board. Everything falls straight into the container. Honestly, the spiralizer function was the one I thought I'd never use, and now I use it twice a week for zucchini noodles, cucumber salads, all of it. Downside, it's got a few parts to clean. Run it under the top right after you use it and it's fine. Leave it sitting, a little more work. But as a kitchen time saver, this one genuinely delivers. 4. Instant Pot Duo. Number 4. And look, you've heard of this one. The Instant Pot Duo. 7 functions. Pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, saute, yogurt maker, warmer. I know this isn't new, but I resisted it for years and I was wrong. What changed things for me was the app. Over 800 recipes and they're actually good. I made a full chicken broth from scratch in 45 minutes that normally takes hours on the stove. The learning curve is real, I won't lie. The first week I definitely overpressurized a soup and made a small mess, but once you get it, you actually start cooking more at home because it's faster and easier. This one changed my relationship with cooking. That's not an exaggeration. 5. Bomves Electric Spin Scrubber. Number 5. Bathroom. Nobody's favorite room to clean. This is the Bomves Electric Spin Scrubber. Cordless, 90 minutes of battery, 8 different brush heads for different surfaces, and 2 speed settings. Tile grout. That's where this thing earns everything. I spent more time than I want to admit on my hands and knees scrubbing tile. This thing does in 2 minutes what used to take me 15. The extendable handle also means I'm not contorting myself to reach the back of the tub, which alone is worth it. Battery life is solid. 90 minutes is way more than one cleaning session for most people. Honestly, the only thing I'd say is the brush heads feel a little flimsy at first, but they've held up fine over weeks of use. No complaints. 6. Dreame X50 Ultra Robot Vacuum. Okay, number 6. And this is the one I know you've been waiting for. The Dreame X50 Ultra, robot vacuum and mop, 20,000 pascals of suction, obstacle avoidance, 360 navigation, self-emptying, self-cleaning mop, the whole thing. I'll be straight, this is the most expensive thing on this list by a distance, but let me tell you what it actually did. I stopped thinking about vacuuming completely. It just happens. I schedule it, it runs, it goes back to its base, it empties itself, it cleans its own mop pads.
The obstacle avoidance is genuinely impressive. Cables, shoes, chair legs, it navigates around all of it. The one real thing I'll tell you, the initial setup and mapping takes maybe 30 minutes to get right. Give it that time. Once the map is dialed in, it just works. For anyone with pets especially, this is not a luxury. This is a utility.
7. Oclean Electric Toothbrush. Number 7, and this one's personal, the Oclean Electric Toothbrush. 150 days of battery life on a single charge. That's not a typo. I travel a lot. The number of times I've packed a toothbrush charger, forgotten it, panicked, I'm done with that. 5 cleaning modes, smart timer, 6 brush heads included, comes with a travel case, USB rechargeable. The smart timer is the thing that actually changed my brushing habits. It pulses every 30 seconds to tell you to switch quadrants. My dentist noticed a difference at my last cleaning. That's the only review that actually matters. 150 days of battery for a toothbrush. That alone should make this a no-brainer. 8. Philips Hue Smart Bulbs. Number 8. And this one genuinely transformed the feel of my home more than anything else on this list. Philips Hue A19 Smart Bulbs, white in color. Works with Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, basically everything. Now, I know smart bulbs aren't new, but most people don't use them right. The thing that changed for me was setting scenes tied to time of day. Morning is bright and cool. Evening shifts to warm amber automatically. Movie time goes dim and warm. My home literally feels different at different times of day now, and I didn't change a single piece of furniture. Honest note, you do need the Hue bridge for full functionality, and that's an additional purchase. Worth it, but factor it in. The mood difference in a room is real. This one's hard to explain until you experience it. 9. Keurig K-Mini. Number 9. Simple, effective, and I'd argue underrated. The Keurig K-Mini, simple serve coffee maker. 6 to 12 ounce brew sizes, cord storage built in, takes up almost no counter space. I had a full coffee station before this. Grinder, scale, pour over setup, the whole thing. And I love that process on weekends. But Monday morning at 6 a.m., I just need coffee. Fast, without thinking. This thing brews in under 2 minutes. I press one button. I'm done. The honest trade-off. K-cups cost more per cup than ground coffee. If you're drinking 4 or 5 cups a day, that adds up. For 1 or 2 cups in the morning, it's completely reasonable. It does one thing, it does it well. That's the whole pitch. And number 10. The one nobody expects to be on a list like this, but everyone who gets it immediately understands. The iTouchless 13-gallon sensor trash can. Stainless steel, motion-activated lid, odor filter built in, pet pin flock, fingerprint-proof finish, soft close. Hands full of vegetable peels. You just walk up and the lid opens. That's it. That's the feature. But the odor filter actually works. My kitchen smells noticeably cleaner, and the pet-proof lock is real. My dog tested it extensively. The fingerprint-proof finish also means this thing still looks clean and sleek even after daily use, which in a kitchen matters more than people think. This is one of those gadgets where after a week with it, you genuinely don't understand how you used a regular trash can before.
So that's all 10. Tested, used, kept, every single one. Look, none of these are gonna make your home look like a magazine spread overnight. But what they actually do is remove the small daily frictions that quietly drain your energy. The floor cleaning, the air quality, the meal prep, the vacuuming, the bathroom scrubbing. When those things get easier, you genuinely get time back. And time is the only thing you can't buy more of. All 10 links are in the description below. I'd actually love to know, which one are you most curious about? Drop it in the comments. And if you've got a home gadget that you think I missed and genuinely should be testing, tell me, because that comment might become the next video. See you in the next one.